fine. You?
I'm doing excellent.
Can you take your glasses off? I want to see your eyes. I'm mountain safety. My job is to help keep you.
Were we doing something unsafe?
Yes, you were.
What kind of things?
I'm going to tell you all about it, okay?
Snowboarding?
So, number one, all of Demon, and that's when you come down off Chairlift 2.
I don't remember where that is.
Okay, well, I'm going to educate you, okay? And if we don't get educated, then we've got something else we can do, okay? So that chairlift up there, there's a sign that says slow. It also says no jumping.
Do we jump?
Yes. Let me see. You guys are all going faster than hell, okay? So number one.
I was trying to get away from the monkey, I'm sorry.
I know.
Okay.
He's going to eat me and peel me. And it's going to hurt.
I realize that.
It's really bad.
You're going to eat each other and you're going to kill each other, go on the backside.
We can eat each other out the backside?
Yeah, you can do whatever.
Just eat each other right out?
You guys do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. What levels?
They don't want to get eat out in this one?
They don't. No jumping.
Okay.
No. I understand what you're saying, but understand what I'm saying too, okay?
Yeah, no, I just really had to get away.
So, let's have a good day. I don't want to ruin your trip, but ski safe, okay?
Cool, thank you.
Okay, good man. We'll go.
Hey, you're almost dressed like me.
You're almost. Yeah. Not as sexy.
Ooh, hey! I gave that bitch a $15 tip today just to do it. Do you know how much shit I got today? For $60, like including tip, I got 2 free Jaeger bombs. I had 2 Jaeger bombs, 4 Pabst Blue Ribbons to tall boys.
How many pads?
4
Tall ones?
tall boys. I got an Irish car bomb. I got two or three Colorado fucking Bulldogs. Something else.
You got an iced tea, didn't you?
Yeah, and I got a fucking free Long Island iced tea. I'm totally gonna bang her.